Hi everyone, David Lewis here, and today I want to talk to you about a real serious problem in service, and you are all having this happen. And I'm going to give you a solution. It's not the easiest solution to do, but it's very, very beneficial. And that problem is customers calling the dealership asking for an update or progress report on their car. Is my car ready? What time will my car be ready? Is my car going to be ready at 4 o'clock? You see, communications is the key to success in any business and in any industry. When it comes to CSI, we can improve our CSI overnight with great communication skills. So here's the thing. Utilize a tool that is very disposable to everybody, that everybody uses, and that's texting. So if somebody drops their car off maybe the night before or in the morning, text them, let them know you got it. A couple hours later, when the car is being brought in, text them, let them know, Mr. Smith, Mrs. Smith, just wanted to let you know, the car is now with the technician. When the car is done, text them. Now I know this is difficult, but it's very beneficial and it works, and people respect this. It will increase your repeat business. It'll help you with CSI, and you know what else? It'll help you sell more customer pay revenue, because when it is time to talk to that customer, to call them, they are more likely to answer the telephone. So give it some thought. Give it a try. I know it's hard. I know there's a lot of moving parts in a service department every day. But if you can keep people engaged through text while their car's in the dealership, you will get tremendous value. Good luck. Keep me posted how it works for you. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.